Hey everybody, Justin with Lucky 8 Off-Road, and today we're going to take a look at this little storage compartment jobby net thing. It's very descriptive, I know. If you know me personally, I can't stand things bouncing and rattling around the vehicle. So this little net came across my desk and I thought to myself, it's going to be a real winner. It fits right where the genuine air compressor is. So if you have a genuine air compressor, that won't work. But if you have a vehicle without it, this may be your new best friend. Got a couple pockets in it. Little San Pellegrino there maybe. Some gloves up top. You get the idea. So run the intro and I'll show you how to install it. Okay, this is the location that we're installing our little cargo nets. Get them right side up. It's gonna go like this. It's in there pretty good. I'm gonna let it sit down at the bottom. That way any of the weight's gonna rest on the inside of the plastic trim. But before we install it, I'm gonna use a little bit of cleaning alcohol, wipe down the area. Give that a quick second to dry. While that's drying, let's pull all the little stickers off. Now that we have the surface area nice and clean and our Velcro double-sided or single-sided Velcro sticky tape ready to go, last thing to do is just make sure that you got your cargo net the correct way. Line it up where you want it. Take a look, that seems where it needs to be, and then just attach. Super simple. Now it's loaded up with stuff. I know exactly what I want to keep in there. First is my ARB 12-volt socket extension cord. I always lose these things, so now I got a nice little home for it back here. And Mickey Mouse baby wipes. Can't go wrong with baby wipes. Boom. I like this little thing. All right, guys, there you go. Hopefully you can keep some of your gear from bouncing around inside the cabin. And on that note, I'm going to drink this Pellegrino. I'll see you guys in the next one.